$210 off catch.
Zach, we're not building the car using Amazon and Wish.
Why not? We don't have sponsorship. Welcome back to Backyard Builds.
Today, a little bit of a recap. We're going to get onto the tubs, actually putting them back in. So you probably saw in a previous episode, we cut them out. That's as much as we did. So
yeah, going to send the rail off, weld the rail up, cut the tub up, or cut the excess off the outside of the tub, and just trim it up to get it back in.
yeah, we're also going to show you a few tricks and a few ways to actually get the tub a little bit straighter. Like these utes obviously got smashed being work cars. It was what they were used for.
Yeah, farm utes.
So yeah, all the tubs, they're always smashed in. They're always dented up. So we're going to try and beat them out a bit straighter and get them a bit flatter. So just to show you guys what we're doing.
Come along with us.
Let's get into it.
Can you get any further from the camera?
Oh, at least 6 feet. Social distancing.
1.4 meters, because that's what your new tripod is. Alright, so I've done this rail. So sanded the lip off, and then we start tacking it along, then we weld it. I've just sanded it now, so it's pretty smooth. I've just left the edge square. That's all it needs, because the tub does sit down against it. We will stitch the tub back to the rail as well. Just going to spray it with our favourite weld through copper primer. Might give it a hit of rust converter, trying to get up under that floor a little bit, but onto the next side. So Tom's already started to look how he's getting his tub in over there.
As you can see, this is the passenger side wheel tub, and there is dents. It was a ute, it was used, it was abused. There's no other way to it. We're going to pump these out, so it's almost flat, looks standard. We're going to use not what you think it is there, Tammy. I know you're watching. It's a dead blow mallet. It's actually got like a lead shot in it. And a sandbag. That's got a really fine, dense sand in it. Some people put lead shot in their bags. Mine's got sand in it.
Both available from Melomotive.
Yeah, actually, I bought this at both of them at Melomotive Hot Rod and Custom Show last year. Yep. 2 years ago.
Cheers, Peter.
Thanks, Pete. The other thing I've got, this is a 1943 bossing mallet. It is the heaviest hammer I own. It's probably a good 4 kilos, 5 kilos, and it's all on the head. All I'm going to do, so you can obviously see where the dents are on the inside. Try and get that as firm and as flat against in the bag, and Now you can see they've come back out high. So not dead flat, but we're only wailing on it with a hammer. A little bit of something there. Same thing. So that's got most of our large dents out now. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to move over to the English wheel, give it a bit of a roll, and it'll actually help flatten a lot of that stress out. It'll sort of flatten all those creases out, and it will get it looking like it was never abused. So we've got one tub tacked in.
Tom will cut the strip.
I will actually cut the strip. Not say I'll cut the strip, I'll actually cut the strip.
Yeah, look, I told him to cut the strip. Tom didn't cut the strip.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Anyway.
Tub's tacked in. It actually fills out fairly well.
Yep. And that original return lip actually touches back to the rail. So we'll just have to weld it back off to the rail and happy days.
Yep.
It's almost like Chrysler wanted them to be tubbed.
That's it.
It actually all works really well, so
yeah, we'll have a bit more footage of that next episode with finishing up.
Yeah, next episode we'll do the other tub, and we've got a little quarter repair that we're going to try and tackle off. I actually just made a list of to be completed before Chrysler's on the Murray, so
we will be there with the car, with shirts, with jumpers, with stickers.
Yeah.
So we're trying to get it as much, not finished, but as much done as we can.
Yeah.
So we can show it off to you guys.
I'm going to try and have 2 cars there, the ute and my wagon, so
we'll see you there.
Catch you then. Thanks for watching.